This week we'll be reviewing policies for solid waste, disposal, and reuse, recycling, and recovery. Solid wastes include municipal solid waste and do not include hazardous and radioactive materials, which we will discuss next week. Municipal solid wastes include our own household wastes, formerly called refuse. Components of refuse include garbage, food, rubbish, which is glass, cans, and paper, and trash, which are larger items including appliances. While there are efforts by communities across the U.S. to reduce, recycle, and recover solid waste, landfills continue to dominate our solution to this consumer-driven problem. Today, increasingly inexpensive clothing manufacturing in developing countries for consumption in the U.S. have created a clothing disposal problem, with used clothing being baled and exported back to the countries where they were made. Disease vectors such as rats inhabit landfills, and leachate from old dumps continues to pollute nearby waterways and groundwater. EPA estimates that in 2010, Americans generated 250 million tons of trash, equivalent to 4.43 pounds per day per person. Disposal options are essentially incineration, landfills, and ocean disposal. The number of U.S. landfills has steadily declined over the years thanks to recycling, reuse, and recovery efforts, but the average landfill size has increased. While landfill capacity in the U.S. appears to be sufficient, it is limited in some areas. Modern large landfills must be sited according to strict requirements, including physical, geographical, and weather-related factors. Their designs are regulated and include impermeable layers underneath and caps to prevent off-gassing. Vents are monitored and leachate is collected and properly disposed of to prevent surface and soil pollution. Methane is sometimes a useful byproduct and can be burned for fuel. Life cycle analysis for products has improved efficiencies at the industrial level, and the 3 R's of recycling, reuse, and recovery are the watchwords of modern pollution prevention approaches to waste management. Since 1990, the total amount of municipal solid waste going to landfills dropped by almost 10 million tons, from 145.3 million to 135.5 million tons in 2010. This net per capita discard rate, after recycling, composting, and combustion for energy recovery, was 2.4 pounds per person per day, lower than the 2.5 per capita rate in 1960, when virtually no recycling occurred in the United States. Emerging solid waste issues include plastics disposal, electronic equipment, recycling, and nanoparticle products. Technological improvements in gasification incineration may also reduce landfill requirements.